how to recover your Brawl Stars account without your Supercell ID. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser, or you can move into Safari. In the source bar, search for Contact Brawl Stars. Different sites will be available to you. In here, what you want to do is head over to the very first site. Well, it will land you on this interface. Over here you can see it says Contact Us. Click on it. Once you click on Contact Us, this page will pop up on your screen. In this page, you will need to fill up some of your information of your Brawl Stars account. Firstly, select your language and then select the category. Enter your account name or the player ID. Also mention your email address associated with your Brawl Stars account. At the very end, you need to drop down the issue that you have been facing in the account. You can simply write that you want to recover your account and you haven't done any of the activities that is against the community guidelines of the Brawl Stars support. Once you have entered, click on Submit. Now within 24 hours, they will definitely come up with some solution for you, and then your account will be recovered successfully. That's it, and this is simply how you can recover your Brawl Stars account without your Supercell ID. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.